Polo is exhausted because Majesty, only Polo, gonna take this and give you
a princess. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Renee. If this is the first time here, hi. And if you've been here before, welcome back. I make videos twice a week regarding health, wellness, my mindset, my weight loss journey. I'm trying to change my life. Let's be real here. I'm trying to change the way I think about things, the way I do things, the way I feel, how healthy I am. Speaking on health, I pulled my back yesterday. So right now I'm finishing my weekend work before the week begins, but I'm probably gonna have to take a few breaks. I've been decluttering the house. Today, I'm working on the kitchen. I have things that either were gifts or things that I purchased in the intention that I'm gonna have it forever. And I feel like it's time for me to kind of pull everything out and kind of declutter. But let's jump into the video. One drawer down, and I've gotten rid of all of these. But I got rid of all of these, which is good. Forward, let's go.
Polo is exhausted because Majesty, only Polo, gonna take this and give you
a princess. It took me 2 days to finish this kitchen minimalist decluttering that I've been doing. I find that as I lose the weight, I kind of want to shed the extra burden. And I used to fill my home with stuff I didn't need, stuff that was just, just overwhelming. It was like things that didn't bring me joy. So now I'm trying to remove all those pieces and creating a space where I feel comfortable, where I feel creative, where I'm not overburdened, where I feel the joy of each item in my house. So from that, I went through all my drawers and I just decluttered as much as I can. All right, so first I started with my coffee cupboard. I no longer drink coffee, I'm drinking decaf. It is hard, okay? It's not an easy quit, but I feel like I'm no longer jittery and I sleep better. So it's a win-win at the end, but I miss Starbucks. So this is now my coffee cupboard. I have my Nespresso because I cannot be without my Nespresso. And then I use the decaffeinated pods. And then, yeah, so basically this is just all my glasses and mugs and all my fun stuff. Up here are all the storage. This is all I'm keeping with extra stuff other than like paper towels and toilet paper. Down here, we have my coffee assortment. So you can see they are all decaf from Nespresso, and my oatmeal, straws, I use it responsibly, and teas and turmeric. Here we have the snacks from my son, and then the extra healthy things that I need, extra seasonings and extra containers. Then down here, just bowls like, you know, frother for my milk and just things that I'm gonna need, and my obviously salad mixer. Here is the cutlery drawer. It's a big drawer, so I figured why not put everything in here. And as you saw, I got rid of a couple of items from this drawer, like a potato masher. How many times do you use that? You know what I mean? Use a fork. And like a spoons trainy thingy, not needed. And yeah, and I got rid of some old knives and forks, which my son was not happy with. He doesn't like me letting go of things. Then we have plates. Now, these plates are basically new from 2 years ago, and I'm gonna keep them. I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep them, but I love them so much that I'm gonna consciously use them during the week, hopefully. Then we have all the bowls and containers. As you can see, most of my drawers are still a bit empty, and I consciously left it that way. I didn't want to overclutter with just stuff, right? And containers and everything that you're gonna need. Like I feel like, or not everything you're gonna need, everything you don't need. So then over here, I have all the things that I need for cooking. All my oils, all my mixtures, vinaigrettes, instead of me having to go into the cupboard every time I need something or calling somebody if my hands are dirty. In this drawer, I have my seasoning, extra plastic bags, gloves, things like that, baking items. And I reduced my baking items and my seasoning because you don't always use certain seasonings, so I'm like, why am I keeping them here? Then we have all the sugars. I don't take white sugar, but if a recipe calls for it and I'm baking for somebody else, I will put that in there. But I really hardly use it. I actually use the organic sugar. Then all my honeys and everything else. And then here we have the extra baking items. So if I'm gonna use my hand mixer or measuring cups or doing breads or whatever for other people. And finally, in here I have steel oats that I still have not opened yet. We have walnuts, we have almonds, you know, organic dates, pecans, stuff like that. Extra sugar that has been here for years because we don't eat sugar. And confectionery sugar if I'm doing something again for somebody's party, rices, things like that. We keep that in there. So side note, I was supposed to decorate the shelves in here, but I don't know what I'm gonna put here. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna put here because it's like, you know, I don't wanna clutter it up, nor do I wanna leave it that bare, but it's gonna stay like that for a little bit. Here, I just decided on 3 plants and like a container, but nothing more. At least for now. Maybe I'll redecorate it later, but I kind of like the openness of everything and the cleanness. So the best part of all of this is that I wake up in the morning and I have clean counters and everything just looks and feels nice. So that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed cleaning with me and decluttering with me. I have many more rooms to do, but I feel like as I go along, I take my time and kind of figure out what I need, what I don't need, what I can still be using, what maybe I can repurpose, because I don't want to keep something that can help somebody else in my kitchen or in my home. I feel like sometimes you hold on to things and it's not sentimental, it's just because either you paid a lot of money for it, or you said that you were gonna use it, or you just like impulse purchased it because you thought you were gonna do a project that you didn't need to, well, you didn't end up doing. And I think that when you get to that point, it's time to kind of let it go. So if you are decluttering too, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you want to know more about, like, you know, how I've decluttered my home, please just ask. Like, I have no problem answering. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.